Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty.
Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do easy braided hairstyle. I'm going to do some box braids in the back and some cornrows feed in the front. Today I will be using this hair, which is the Freetress 301 braiding hair pre-stretched in the color 1B. And I'll be using Shine and Jam on my roots before I apply the braiding hair in to make it look sleek. So first you're gonna start off freshly washed hair. I blew dry my hair, I oiled it, clipped my ends, I did the whole works today. So I have it sectioned out into 4 sections, and I am going to start off first with the back. I'm gonna do, you know, your basic box braids in the back. If you didn't already check out my previous video on box braids, I would say go ahead and check that out. Full tutorial on a whole head of box braids. So really simple, and I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you guys how I do this. So I took out one of my braids in the back. I parted off 1 row. I think this can hold about 2 medium braids. I don't want them to be too small, just want a nice, quick and easy, cute hairstyle because you know the holidays is coming up, so hey, why not be cute at home? Anyways, so first, as you can see, this would be my first braid, and then my second braid. So I can do 2 braids on the bottom. So here I have my braiding hair. I normally like to divide this in advance, so I split it in half. Then I split it in half again. And then I split it in half one more time. And normally this is the size that I would use to do my box braids. I'm gonna use some Shine and Jam to make sure that it's sleek back here. So I apply it at the root. And you're gonna take your hair, split it in half again, and then you're gonna fold it over. And this is what you should have, like that. And then just swatch it. throughout the whole back half of your head. And as soon as I make some more progress, I'm gonna come right back and show you how far that I have gotten with this. So stay tuned. All right, so I am back. I pretty much finished up majority of the back. I have about one more row, about 3 more braids. Yeah, so then once I finish up my braids, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I'm gonna do the front. I'll probably most likely be freestyling some type of cornrow situation in the front, but let's see how it comes out. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I finished my box braids in the front, and like I told you guys, I was going to freestyle and cornrow the front, just doing a quick feed-in method. So I decided to do some like arch parts, and I just want to show y'all what that looks like. So first, I would recommend you pulling apart however thick you want your braid to be. So I want mine to be like at least this thick. And then you're going to start off with a very, very tiny piece in the beginning so that you do not see the knots when you start a braid. So this is how I do it. So when you get to about that much of your braid, you want to add your next piece. But this time make it a little bit bigger, because the whole purpose of this is to add in the hair as if it's the same size of the braid. So let me just tuck that in between and then keep going. And then you're going to stop again, then add in some more of that hair. And you're gonna stop again. Then you're gonna add in your last piece of hair. Just a little bit more. show you again. So you just part. Your swerve should be consistent. Again, you separate the thickness of your braid. Take a very small piece to start the braid off. And once you get to here, you want to add in your second piece. Tuck it in right underneath, then grab your 3 pieces, and then you're just going to continue again. And stop again. And then you can add in your next piece, which is a little bigger. Tuck it in underneath. Grab your original 3 pieces, including your 2 strands of your new pieces. You take another piece, and then you want to add that to this piece. So I am just going to continue on with this process. I'm gonna just follow all the way to the side, the same slanted pattern, in my hair. And when I'm done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And here you go, guys. This is the final look. that I decided to go with. Again, I chose to freestyle it and feed the hair in as I go. I chose to do it like this because you can do so much with the braids just like this. Like, you can wear it in a low ponytail, you can wear it in a high ponytail, you can get your little Beyonce look on. I'll show you that real quick. Y'all know what I'm talking about. When she was in I Am King, you know, you take your braids and you do some like Bantu knot vibe that she did from the video. That look definitely could be achieved with this. You see where I'm going with it? Like, you know? And then you just do that to this side and then you have that look. Could do half up, half down. So there's so much you could do to it, but I don't want to play too much with it because it's tight. But thank you all for watching. More content coming soon, and I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Thank you.